Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Mega love shout out to all the members of this channel, especially to the Teacher Fit channel from the USA, Arlita Garden from France, and Alma Abayan from the Philippines. Thank you very much. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for all your help onto this channel. And for those who wanted to help grow this channel and of course to help grow and help the advocacy, please do be a member, or you can help by being at the super chatter and the super sticker in my live streams and premieres. So, sabi nga, di ba, God gives a hundredfold to those who give. Thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. All right. Our lesson for today is dividing monomials. For this is for week 5, day 4, second quarter of the grade 7. Our objectives: be able to divide polynomials and be able to simplify expressions involving powers of monomials by applying the division properties of powers. So for example, we have 4x cubed, 4x cubed, 4x cubed, and y cubed over 2xy. And then 3xy squared over yx cubed, then to the powers of 5. And then 36a raised to 8, or the power of 8b squared over ab times ab squared over 6. Okay, so let's review from the vocabulary. So again, monomial is a number, a variable, or the product of a number and one or more variables. Constant, a monomial that is a real number. Power, an expression in the form of x raised to n. Base, in an expression of the form x to n, the base is x. Exponent, in an expression of the form x raised to n, the exponent is n. Quotient, the number resulting by the division of one number by another. So let's review exponents. From repeated multiplication can be represented using exponents. So 3 times x times x times x times x times y times z. That is equal to 3x raised to 4 y squared z. To expand the power, use the exponent to determine the number of times a number is multiplied by times a base and is multiplied by itself. So x squared and x cubed, that means 8 times 8 times x times x times x. Okay, tatlong x. Okay? And then, from review multiplying monomials, so the review of powers, when two numbers of the same base are multiplied together, add the exponents and leave the base unchanged. So a raised to m times a raised to n is equals to a m plus n. Power of a product in a product raised to a power, the exponent applies to its factor of the exponent. 3xy square, so that is equal to 3 square x square y square. Okay? Review multiplying monomials. So the power of a power, when a power is raised to another power, multiply the exponents and leave the base unchanged. So a raised to m, close and open brackets n, is equals to a raised to m times n. No? Remember, follow the order of operations when applying more than one property, like this. No? 3x squared times x cubed y. So, close and open parenthesis, may exponent pa sa labas. That is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. That's why we have here. And then y cubed. So, that is 3 cubed. X to 5 cubed. Or x to the power of 5, then raised to cube, then y cubed. That is 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So for x, we have 5 times 3 is 15. That's why we get this. And then y cubed. So we have this final answer. No? 27 x to 15 y cubed. Quotient of power. Simplify. So we have x. Okay, so how are we going to simplify this? So step 1, we write the expression in expanded form. Alright, so ito. No? So we have 3x cubed over x squared. So yung 3x cubed nyo, may 3x, x, or then x squared is, so what are you going to do with that? Simplify. So we have 3xx. Yan, no? So cancel out. Right? So what is the answer? What do you think is the answer? 3x, no? 3 minus 2 is equals to 3x, no? So because here we have 3x 3x cube. Okay, so natira dito, no? Or 3, kasi 3x cube minus 2x. So, kahit ito, titingnan nyo to, na cancel na itong dalawa, na malayo lang yung ano. Kaya natira na lang ay 3x. No? Okay? So, this is our rules. A raised to m over a raised to n is equals to m minus n. So, for our real numbers a and integers m and n, okay, so power of quotient, so let's simplify again. We have 3x over y, then we have close and open parenthesis, may square pa. Write the exponent in expanded form. Okay, yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, 3x over y times 3x over y. Then, multiply and simplify. So, 3x times 3x equals, yan. Okay, so we got 3 times 3, so 3 square and x square over y square. The final answer is 9x squared over y. Okay? So for all real numbers a and b and integer m, a over b, close and open parenthesis m. Okay, so this rule, please remember, is equals to a raised to m over b raised to m. Okay? Now, example problems. Okay, so we have 3 raised cube. So apply the quotient of powers. So we have 3 raised to 6 minus 3. The final answer is 3 cube. No? Or this is equals to 27. Bakit? 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. Next, we have 4x square. Okay? So apply power of quotient. Okay, so 4 square and x square. The final answer is 16x square. That's it. Okay, so we have 3x to the 4th cube over x squared y. So apply quotient of powers. Okay. So then apply power of a quotient. 3 cube. And then this will become 2. That's why we have 2 here. X 2 cube over y cube. Then apply power of power. So we have 3 cube. And then x raised to 2 times 3 is 6. Y cube. So simplifying. So 3 cube is 27. X6 over y cube. Huh? So don't forget to simplify your answer. Okay, let's practice. So number 1, we have, okay, paano natin sasagutin yan? That will become 2 cube A 2 times 3, then B cube. So what is our final answer? Okay, may over A cube, no? A cube. So don't forget, yung sa baba kasama siya, no? So we have 8 A6 B cube over A cube. Guys, ito, nagma-minus tayo dyan. So, that will become 8A 6 minus 3. No? Don't forget to do that always. B cube. So, the final answer is 8 B cube, or A cube, sorry. A cube, that is A cube. No? A cube, B cube. Okay, get it? Next. Okay, so we have here 4x cube, y cube over 2xy times 2 over xy cube. So we have 4x cube, y cube over 2xy times 4. 2 square is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 over x square, y square. Then let us simplify. 4 times 4 is 16. X cube, y cube over. So we have 2 x cube, sorry, x square. No, 1 plus 2 is 3. Yes, that's why it's cube. Then y, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so cancel natin to. 1 is already canceled, right? 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay? Do you understand? Next. So let's have problem number 1. Okay, so we have 2a squared b over a and then cube. How are we going to do that? Okay, so let's try, no? Let's check later. So this is 2 cube b, 2 times 3 is 6. Sorry, that's not b but a. Oh, that is A. Okay, and then B cube over A cube. So we got 8. Oh, so pareho lang yung kanina, no? A cube A 6 minus 3 6 minus 3 okay, and then B cube. So we got 8 A cube B cube. Okay, that's the final answer. Let's see. All right, yan, no? Okay, tama dun yun. Minus mo muna yung isa. Ayan, okay. That will become 2AB cube. Ayan, 2 cube, A cube, B cube. Or 8A cube, B cube. So we get the same answer. Check. Alright, next. Problem 2. Okay, so here, no? Actually, we did it already. So, okay. So this time, ang ginawa niya, minus niya muna. Hiniwalay niyo 4 over 2. And then x, 3 minus 1. And then y minus 1 times, yan, times 2 4, then x square, y square. So, hiniwalay na yan. Then, okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, 3 minus 1, 2x squared, that's y squared, times 4 over x square, y square. And then, so here, pwede mo na siyang i-cancel. Ha? Ito, i-cancel na. Pwede na yan agad-agad. No? The final answer is yes, no? So, ang ginawa niya, minus pa niya. Now, because, think, x, 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. And x raised to 0, or any letters of the alphabet, or any variables with 0 ang exponent, that's equivalent to 1. Remember? So, the final answer is 8. So, we're correct also. So, it depends on how you're going to do it, no, on your own. Okay? Now, so we have the power of fraction, so which is the sixth law of exponent. So, for the power of fraction, so, yan, no? Idugtong natin yan dyan. So, we have a over b raised to n. So, a raised to n over b raised to n, where b is not equal to 0. The nth power of quotient, where the divisor is not 0, is the nth power of the dividend by the nth power of divisor. Okay? Okay, let's simplify. So, for example, number 1, so we have x 5 minus 2. The final answer is x cubed. Right? Next, here, a 4 minus 6. So, we cannot do it na subtract natin. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, instead of a raised to negative 2, isusulat natin siya as 1 over a square to become positive. Okay? Then, ito, m cube minus cube, that is m0, or that is equals to 1. So, remember, kapag 0 ang exponent mo, that is equals to 1, not to 0, ha? Okay, next. quotient with a monomial divisor. So this time we're going to have a quotient with a monomial divisor. So to divide a monomial by a monomial, use the commutative and associative property to rearrange factors. So simplify using quotients rules for exponent. Okay. So to divide a polynomial by a monomial, use the distributive law. Simplify using the quotient rules for exponents. Now in symbols, when A, B, and C are real numbers and C is not equal to 0. Simplify each. Okay, so here we have, okay, so let's see, no, 18 divided by 3, so hiwalin natin, no? We can do that actually. And then, oh, walain din natin yung 8. Okay, no. Need to erase. Again. So we have 18 divided by 3, then x, and then 8 minus 4, no? So 18 divided by, or negative 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. Then x over 8 minus 4 is 4. Yeah, that's the final answer. Okay, next. 25. So we have negative 25 over negative 5. Then A, we have 5 minus 2. And B, 5 minus 3. Okay, so we have negative 25 divided by negative 25 is just follow the rules. So remember the rules in dividing. Like sign, it becomes positive, and like sign becomes negative. So that will become 5 because it's positive, no? And then A, 5 minus 2 is 3. So B, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so our final answer is 5a cubed b squared. Next, negative 11 m5 divided by negative 11 m5. So negative 11 over negative 11, no? And then we have m 5 minus 5. Okay, so negative 11 divided by negative 11 is 1 times ano to? M 0. Now guys, remember 1 times 1 na po 'yan kasi yung m0 raised to 0 is equals to 1. So the final answer is 1. Actually, pwede na agad mo yan diretso. Cancel mo na agad yan. So the answer is still 1. Ha? If you knew the rules or directly, no, pwede yan diretso. For questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment sections. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, 1, subscribe. 2, like. Share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. And 3, like. Leave a comment. Subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is Teacher Marife. Bye-bye. See you again. God bless us all.